Security number.
And credit card details, no? Ikaw muna.
Hello, my name is Mandy, 36. He, him, her.
No. I'm Lyndon, I'm 22, and he, him.
Relationship status.
We're a couple for 2 years.
Turning 1 month this June 22.
Yeah, 2 years and 1 month. Where did you meet? Through a mutual friend, pero parang it's your usual hookup story kasi parang, 'di ba?
Yeah, we
to a
first met in February 25, People Power. Year 2022. Yeah, we
Tapos yun, parang we hooked up, yes. No, tapos parang it became a regular thing and then, ayun, parang I spent more time at his place after People Power. Yes, power to the people, I guess. Ikaw?
Nung nakita ko siya sa elevator, I knew that I like him. Or I wanted to ensure sa next meetup namin if ganun pa rin yung pakiramdam ko.
For me, parang, yeah, I liked him, but parang, kasi he's cute. Tapos parang, there's something quirky about him when you first met him, so parang, I guess it developed into that, parang, the
Yeah.
next days after. Our first fight, I guess, was parang dealing with parang how we're gonna, pursue the relationship kasi hindi ako ready. Kasi parang I was months single during those times. So parang, sabi ko, am I ready to be in a relationship again? But he gave me that security. So parang, it's one of the first, parang, fights na parang, we resolved together and parang, it's very,
While he was still figuring out if he was sure na game siya for this relationship, what were you feeling?
Ako, I first asked him out on a date kasi I was, after a week namin mag-hook up, parang sure na ako gusto ko siya makita. And kasi hindi ako yung tipong relationship. So usually I just sleep around with people. Pero nung nakasama ko siya afterwards and then we dated, nag-initiate ako, parang I knew that I wanted him. Not enough na parang love ko na agad siya. Kasi meron kaming 3 months period. So I wanted to ensure kung compatible pa kami. So laging sasabi sa kanya noon na kailangan na lang namin i-navigate yung feelings namin and how we approach this. Kasi syempre, living in one space, di ba? You have to have conflicts, magkakaroon ng iba-ibang decision. Pero I knew that I wanted him. Walang specific moment, pero nung basta alam ko pagkagising ko, gusto ko siya yung nakikita ko. Ayun.
Kinilig ka ba?
Kaya sure na ako na mahal ko siya nun, regardless of what we do.
Ala, wait lang. Ikaw muna. What's your favorite?
Ayun, yung favorite memory ko, alam kong paggagising ko, gusto ko siya yung una ko nakikita. And minsan, parang pag matutulog kayo, yung paa nyo, yung mag-touch kayo, parang hindi ako comfortable pag hindi ako nakakatulog na hindi ko siya naaalala. Ayun.
I think my favorite memory of us living together is that light feeling when you're with someone. Na parang it just feels good. Na parang even in those silences na magkasama kayo. Parang I haven't felt that since I met him and I lived with him. Every time na nakikita ko siya, every time I wake up, I think that's my favorite memory. Parang, I sleep beside him. Parang I'm with him every day. Even if we're in 2 different worlds, parang we're still in the same space and that we see each other. Tapos parang there's that love.
How would you describe?
I mean, for me, it really did feel like a journey. A journey. It really did feel like a relationship that I think it's worth na parang fighting for. Kasi parang there are hardships, there are fights for sure. Kasi parang we live in 2 different worlds where 2 different people.
It's complicated.
Yes. Pero alam mo yun, it's a relationship and in that relationship, every day, every time, you gotta keep working on it. So parang,
Yeah, ang sa akin nga, alam ko yung at our core, alam ko na mahal namin isa't isa. So whatever differences that we come through, syempre minsan mag-aaway kami, hindi kami mag-uusap, pero at the end of the day, or 2 days after that, we usually resolve that.
What's your favorite thing about Angela?
Comfortable ako sa kanya. Basta yung parang song na tahanan, alam mo na pag nandyan siya, you're at peace. Parang,
My favorite thing about him is probably his voice. He's very cute. He's very, parang, he's just a pure person na parang it goes along with his personality. It's parang, every time that he does these silly things, like parang, maybe namang cute things, just for the sake of it being cute, parang, oh, ano lang. So yun. His quirkiness.
Looking into your partner's eyes, what brings you pride?
What brings you pride? What brings you pride?
what brings me pride is, I'm sure na, even after 5 years or more, na I know na ikaw yung pinili ko, na mahal kita, and looking forward, and then parang each coming day, I'm sure na whatever trials and tribulations that we may face, I know that we have each other's back.
What brings me pride is that you chose me and I chose you. Pokemon. In the recent years, I think you're one of the best decisions I've made. And I think that brought me pride kasi parang I haven't felt real love since I met you. It was nice having to love as hard as someone as you, as much as you loved me, and I'm very grateful that we fought by together and we stayed by together in these 2 years, and I'm happy for that. I'm very happy for the reason that I loved you, and that every day I'm very happy. It's every day. Love you. Happy Pride Jelly Time!
Love it!